Do you know many people are having trouble with cooking fish in their SilverCrest fryer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Preheat fryer. Turn on the deep fryer and select the menu option. Preheat to 160 degrees Celsius. Step 2. Place fish. Place the fish in the basket, ensuring it doesn't exceed the max fill line. Step 3. Set timer. Set the timer to 20 minutes to ensure the fish cooks evenly. Step 4. Flip fish. At halfway through, open the fryer and flip the fish for even cooking. Step 5. Check doneness. Check if the fish is cooked to your liking, adjusting time if necessary. With these steps, cooking fish in your SilverCrest fryer should now be a simple task. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other SilverCrest users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.